construction trucks receive a new job.
Crane truck.
Crane truck lifts the wrecking ball end. Breaks the old house.
It's a disappear. I got it. Amazing.
Bulldozer clears the rubble.
It's a disappear.
Excavator digs the new foundation.
Okay.
Excavator.
Ready? It's my time.
Mixer truck pours cement.
Okay.
Crane truck lifts materials.
Nice. Okay. What is this?
Soon, a beautiful
What's next?
cake-shaped house is finished.
Let's go.
On the other side, the breaker machine is tearing down another old house. Oh no!
Hey!
The rope of the wrecking ball suddenly snaps.
Help me! Oh no!
The wrecking ball falls and hits Mixer truck.
What happened?
What should they do?
Oh no! Oh my god!
Hey! Crane truck
Okay.
calls dump truck.
Okay. Let's go.
Dump truck brings a brand new mixing drum. Hey!
Come here. Okay. Wow, it's a nice one. What is
Crane
it?
truck helps install it and pulls the dented parts back into shape. Mixer truck is repaired.
Hello. Okay.
Dump truck brings a new wrecking ball.
Go.
Hey!
It's my time. What's next?
They continue the job and the house is torn down quickly. Bulldozer clears the trash.
It's so nice.
Excavator digs the foundation.
Here. It's amazing. I like it. Let's go. Okay. Wow, it's a nice
Mixer truck pours the cement.
Okay. Let's go. Wow, it's a nice slide. Good job.
Hey! Crane truck installs the walls, roof, doors, and windows.
Yeah. Good job. It's so nice.
A brand new toy house is ready.
Bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, see you next time.